Alright, it's May 2nd, 7:30 in the morning or so. Yesterday was a flood in Nashville, May 1st. You can see the flood line all around the office. This is the high side of the office. This is the front door. And all of the offices are flooded. There's still about an inch in places of standing water. In the office, everything is moved around. You can see the water line, the walls, there's equipment under desks, computers that were submerged underwater. It actually went just over the tops of these desks. You can see the water line on the chair, and you can see the wet papers and everything. So this desk equipment was messed up as well. There's a drill driver combination in this box. Obviously it was submerged. Part of that computer was underwater. Part of the laptop. You can see the wet papers. This is the conference room. This was submerged as well. And then you can see the water line on the wall. It did get over the desk. You can see the discoloration. And you can see that these papers are wet. Still standing water on this desk. Here we have office number 1. So you can see the water line. It did get over the top of the desk. So there was a submerged computer and toolbox submerged. Office number 2. Motor was submerged. Chairs. VersaView panel view, that is a $6,000 item that was brand new, is no longer in good working order, obviously. Water did get over the desk on this one. You can see the papers are all wet still. Still see standing water on the desks. Office number 3. So obviously you can see the water line just over the tops of these chairs. Water did get over all the desks. You can see the standing water still on the desks. There's actually 3 computers in this office that were submerged and no longer will be working. Toolbox, a couple of UPSs. Looks like it got over the keyboard. Okay. Some more cubicles. This cubicle is another computer that was submerged. You can see that the water did get over this desk, so it has affected that keyboard and see that the electrical is still on. We're being very careful. We'll turn it off when we leave. Printer looks to be below the water line. Shredder was submerged. All of these file cabinets were submerged and have standing water. Next cubicle over. It's a UPS and another computer that is submerged and probably no longer functional. This PLC was actually submerged. These three computers were submerged, at least the bottom of them. All EMIT files wet. Partial submersion. Next conference room. You can see the water line here. Water did get over the desk. You can see water on the desk. You can see the water line. Moving on down the hallway, still standing water. The refrigerator was overturned due to the standing water. Microwave, looks like it got about an inch of water on it. All cabinets ruined, everything in them, including coffee supplies. Bathroom was submerged. There's